Well, hello there, folks. I harvested a ton of kale, curly kale, this morning. And I've been researching it, what to do with it. So, if you're interested, stay tuned. You never know what you're going to get. So, I pulled off a few of the stems before I washed it really good. First I dipped it in salt water and let it sit, make sure no buggies. Then I rinsed it twice, and I had it in my colander for the afternoon, and now I've added a bit of salt to it and I've massaged it in to the kale. The kale filled this bowl and now it's wilting down and getting happy in this bowl. And now I'm going to get the rest of the ingredients together and put this meal together. So I had about 1/4 of a head of cabbage left, so I just cut it up and I'm going to add it to the kale bowl with the salt. So there we go, added the cabbage to the kale. Now I'm going to chop an onion and a little tomato. So I thought I'd bring out my electric fry pan and cook some ground pork. It's about 1/2 pound. And then I'm going to add the onions and tomato to that. So I went ahead and added the onion and tomato while the ground pork is still finishing cooking. Some canned corn and my seasonings: garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, cumin. So after the seasonings, I added the kale and the cabbage to the top. Bon appetit!